Hi everybody, Tony Ubilar here from Ubilar Chevy Cadillac in Jasper, Indiana. We have a milestone moment to talk about here today. One of our veteran body technicians is retiring later this year. This technician started working for us in 1974, so he's been with the company for nearly 50 years. He worked for my dad Paul and my grandfather Ted. He's made a great career of it and a great living for himself and his family. He's been a great employee and a big part of our success over the years for sure. But now we have an amazing opportunity available for the right person out there. If you're an experienced body repair technician, we'd love to hear from you and tell you more about our company and the great job opening. The Ubilar & Sons Collision Center is a busy shop. We have no layoffs or fluctuating hours. We're busy. We've got a great pay plan with big bonus opportunities for you too. We do invest in the latest tools and equipment for our technicians. We've got all the benefits you'd expect to. 401k with employee match, paid vacation, holidays, sick time, health insurance with medical and dental. We've been family owned for 90 years, so since the beginning, it's a great place to work. If you're interested in a great career opportunity and it doesn't happen very often in our body shop, or you know someone who might be, please let us know. So the job is posted on Facebook, or you can use our online application on ubilar.com, or you can stop by the Worthing Road location and look me up, or our body shop manager, Shane. Thank you and have a great day.